Wireless temperature and humidity controller user guide. Press Mode M to switch modes. Hand manual mode, auto mode. Before operating, make sure the sensor probe is securely plugged in. Manual mode, custom timer and speed. In manual mode, press up or down to adjust fan speed, levels 1 to 8. Set timer, press the clock button. The default is 12:30, 30 minutes. Adjust time, use up or down to adjust in 30-minute increments. Range, 12:30 to 24. Start, stop pressing buttons. It will auto-confirm after 5 seconds. Cancel, press the clock button again or restart the device. Smart Auto Mode, dynamic speed control. If you're in manual mode, press the M to switch to automatic mode. Then, hold the F for 3 seconds to enter advanced settings for automatic mode. In setup, short press function F to cycle through. High temp LW temp, high humid LW humid. Use up or down arrows to dial in your exact temperature or humidity targets. Long press F for 3 seconds or wait 15 seconds to save and exit. Gear levels increase based on the magnitude of deviation from the temperature and humidity limits. The system executes the maximum calculated gear level. Temperature. Increase 1 gear for every 1.8 variance above the high limit or below the low limit. Pairing and unpairing. Unpairing, hold alarm clock plus F for 5 seconds. The 433 icon will disappear. Within 30 seconds after plugging in the fan, simultaneously press the power button and the F key for 3 seconds. If the 433 icon starts to flash, it indicates that the pairing is successful. Advanced features, child lock degree F/degree C reset. Long press the power button plus up plus down keys for 3 seconds to activate the child lock to prevent accidental operation. Long press the power button plus clock keys for 5 seconds to restore factory settings. Hold power button plus F for 5 seconds. The 433 icon will disappear. Humidity. Increase 1 gear for every 5% variance above the high limit or below the low limit.